Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a question on data interpretation. So let's see a solution of it. The question says, first pie chart shows a breakup of number of bus tickets booked from various cities website ABC during October. So this first chart shows the number of bus tickets booked in terms of percentages, and the total number is given as 45,000 of the total ticket booked in bus. The second pie chart shows percentage breakup of number of train tickets booked from various cities from website ABC during October. So the second chart shows the number of train tickets booked in terms of percentage from various cities, and the total number is given as 85,000. Now it is written that below bar graph shows the percentage increase-decrease in booking of tickets during November. So this chart, that is bar chart, shows the percentage increase and decrease in bookings of tickets during November. It means these two pie charts have been shown for the month of October, and this bar chart shows what is the increase or decrease in November, right? Now the question says, if 45%, 40% and 60% of the train tickets booked from Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore respectively are AC tickets, then what is the average number of AC tickets booked from these three cities taken together during November? Now it has been given here that in if we are talking about train tickets, among train tickets, if we are talking about Delhi, then total train tickets booked in Delhi, out of those 45% are AC tickets. Clear? Similarly, train tickets booked in Mumbai, out of those total ticket booked in Mumbai, 40% are AC tickets. Similarly for Bangalore, how many percent are 60% are AC ticket. So we can see that for Delhi it is 45 out of the total train tickets booked, 45% are AC ticket. For Mumbai it is 40%, and for Bangalore it is 60%. So this percentage is given for the city specific tickets booked, that is train tickets booked for city specific. So they are saying, then what is the average number of AC tickets booked from these three cities taken together during November? So this thing has to be noticed that the month is given as November, right? And five options have been given, and we need to choose one correct option. So let's quickly solve this question. First of all, what we will do, we will write that what is the total percentage given in October, and what will be the total percentage calculation for November. That is, if we are talking about three cities, then we can draw it like this, that this is Delhi, right, Mumbai and Bangalore. Three cities are there. This is the month of October and this is the month of November. So first we will see that what will be the percentage increase in October and November, right? So for October, Delhi total ticket percentage is given as 20, right? And for Mumbai it is given as 24, and for Bangalore it is given as 18, right? So what we will do, first we will calculate the percentage increase or decrease. So what will be the percentage in November, right? For Delhi there is an increase of 10% in the train tickets. So if 10% is increase, it will become 10% of 20 is 2, so it will become 22%, right? And for Mumbai it will become, it is given that it is an increase of 15%. So 15% of 24 is how much? 15% of 24 will be, that is 15 divided by 100 into 24. So that will come out to be, if you will solve it, that will come out to be 3.6. So 15% is 3.6. So 3.6 if we will add in 24, it will become 27.6. Clear? Now 27.6 is the percentage for Mumbai. Now Bangalore, there is a decrease of 10% tickets. So 10% of 18 will become 1.8, right? It will come out to be 1.8. So 1.8 when will be decreased from 18, it will become 16.2. Now see, we have calculated that what will be the percentage in November. Now if we are talking about AC tickets, right? If we are talking about AC tickets, then we need to further calculate. See, instead of calculating the total number of tickets, that is 22% of total 85,000, that is 85,000 is the total number of total number of train ticket books. See, what we can do, we have two approaches to solve this question. That is, first is the traditional approach, in which what you will do, first you will calculate 22% of 85,000, so we will get one number, that is total number of tickets booked. Then we will calculate 27.6% of this 85,000, and this 16.2% of 85,000. Then from among those tickets we will calculate 45%, 40% and 60% respectively, right? Then we will get the total number of tickets. Then we'll add them and divide it by 3 to get an answer. Instead of that, we have one shortcut to find to solve these type of questions. What, without calculating the percentage value, we can directly operate in percentage itself. For example, see, for November we have 22%, and out of these total 22%, 45% are AC tickets. So if we are talking about AC tickets, if we are talking about, it is 45% of this value. So we can directly find out what will be the 45% of 22. So 45% of 22 will be 45 upon 100 multiplied by 22. Clear? So we can do it like this, that we can place a point here. So 22 into 5 will give you 110, so 0 carry 11. 22 into 4 is 88. 88 and 11 will give you 89 and 99. So 99 and two places after we have that is before we have decimal point. So we'll place a decimal point, that is coming out to be 9.9%. So 45% of 22% will become 9.9%, right? And if similarly we will apply this technique for 27.6, so 40% of 27.6 will be how much? 27.6 multiplied by 40%, or we can also write it as 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5 we can write it. 27.6 into 2 will give you how much? It will give you 6 into 2 12, 1, 7 into 2 14, 15, right? And 2 into 2 4 and 5, that is 55.2 divided by 5, right? So what we will get? We will get it as 1, 1, right? 11 point, right? Point will increase and it will be 0 and 4. Clear? 0.04. So we are getting 11.04% as the value for 40% of this. Right, that is 40% of 27.6. Now we need to calculate 60% of 16.2. 60% of 16.2 will be how much? 16.2 multiplied by 0.6, right? 0.6 will give you 60%, right? 6 into 2 is 12, right? 6 into 6 36 and 137, right? 6 into 1 is 6 and 3 9. So we are getting it as 9.72. 9.72. Clear? So we have got these three values, that is 9.9%, 11.04%, right, and this. So we can finally calculate the total number of percentage for AC tickets. We'll add them up. It will become 2 plus 4 is 6, so we'll write it as 6, and 9 and 7 will give you that is 16, right? So 9 and 7 is 16, and 1 will be the carry, 10, that is, and this will be 30.66. we are getting 30.66 as the total percentage, right? So 30.66 will be the total percentage. Now what we need to do, we need to find the total number of AC tickets. So we will calculate the total number of AC tickets, that is coming out to be 30.66% of the total tickets, right, in November. So 30.66% of the total, so we will calculate. So let's calculate 30.66% of total tickets is given as 85,000. So 30.66% of 85,000, when you'll solve it, it will come out to be, that is 26061, right? 26061. So these are the total AC tickets booked, right? Total AC tickets booked in all three cities. So on an average, the total, see, average, what is average? Average tickets will be average AC tickets will be total AC tickets in 3 cities, right, divided by 3 cities, that is total number of cities, right, total cities for which the AC tickets has been calculated. So we have total AC tickets as 26061 and total number of cities are 3, so we can calculate it. It will come out to be 8 into 4, that is 24, 20, that is 6, right, so that is 18, and then we are getting that 20, and then we are getting 226, then it is again 8, right, so we are getting 2, then 21 is 7, so we are getting the average as 8687, right. This is the average which is coming, that is option C is the correct one. Okay, so this is a very somewhat tricky question in which you need to find out first the percentage of November, then you need to find out the total AC tickets, then you can find easily the average. Okay, thank you everyone.